Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to CIGRE 2022. I have the pleasure to have our second technical talk this afternoon with our Managing Director, Mr. Wilfried Breuer. Good afternoon, Mr. Breuer.
Good afternoon, Mr. Gebauer.
Well, we had technical sessions about the VacuTap VRL so far with Jürgen Schwarz, and we want to go a bit deeper in one application. We have talked already about phase-shifting transformers. There's quite a number of new units being installed in Europe, and well, we see upcoming installations in 2023 and 2024. When we talk about the VRL and the other components MR producing, what is special for them when using it in phase-shifting transformers?
Yeah, phase-shifting transformers have double the amount of tap changers in the design than compared with a normal grid coupling transformer. Phase-shifting transformers are used for continuous load flow control in the grid, and therefore the tap changer is permanently used for an active load flow control to facilitate, and therefore it has a very high switching frequency.
Thanks for the insights. When we come to this application, I think a phase-shifting transformer is always a challenging application, because I already see in the order processing when the inquiry comes that our engineers do quite a lot of engineering to find the right dimensions, to find the right transition resistors and so on. What are the challenges regarding the phase shifter application?
Yeah, first and foremost, these are very large and bulky units by the nature of their design. Therefore, the tap changer, the VRL 3200, offers the highest switching capacity available, and therefore allows the reduction of this, the footprint of the transformer, which is already quite bulky. So this is the main advantage of the VRL 3200.
Yeah, thank you. I had the pleasure last week to be in a transformer factory in phase shifting unit. It's really, when you look at that, and we have, I think here 3 or 4 meters height of the exhibition hall, and you know the 150 square meters our exhibition booth had, and this is more or less the footprint one of these transformer set. This is really enormous when you stand in front of it. Well, we have developed the VRL, of course, for the phase-shifting application, but when it comes to such a large tap changer with such a high switching capacity, what are other applications we can use this unit for?
Here I would like to mention first the arc furnace application. The arc furnace process is a process where the tap changer is in permanent process at very high switching currents, phase currents, and therefore the VRL is a good solution for arc furnace transformer, because it can withstand the high switching duty required for that application.
Thank you. When we talk to transmission operators, one of the keywords that we hear is availability of the transformer and, of course, sustainability. Which advantages are coming along with the VRL?
The VRL offers, with a 3200 amp nominal phase current, the option in almost all cases to that there is no more need for a symmetric current split in the regulatory winding, and therefore that means less space, less material, less weight, and even lower switching losses. So a lot of advantages for the grid operator over the lifetime with the VRL in the phase shifter.
Thank you. One of the keywords you mentioned is we don't need the current splitting anymore. I think this does make the OEM happy. Are there other advantages for the OEM that you can mention?
Yes, of course. Basically, one tap changer of VRL 3200 replaces 2 tap changers in parallel by this capability. This offers the possibility either to reduce the size of the tank or to put a even higher power rating in the existing tanks. This is a feature very welcome by the OEMs.
Thank you for the detailed insights to the VacuTap VRL and the applications. As a second point, I think we have a short walk over our booth to give you an insight of some of the other features we have here.
Let's go.
Okay, one of the other things we have here is our embedded transformer operating system called Ethos. Al, what, from your point of view, you find interesting in that?
Yeah, the Ethos offers a unique chance to fully digitalize the transformer, the most valuable and most bulky part in a substation. So it is a big enabler for the digital substation.
If you look to my left, then you see some of the parts or some features of the Ethos we can have. Next to me, there is a small sensor called the Vibro Acoustic sensor, which means vibroacoustic monitoring. It records any noise that is done inside the tap changer. It's a self-learning system, and then it's taking care, of course, if the sound has some irregularities, then the sensor detects that. Other features are, for example, bushing monitoring. We have a DGA sensor over there. We have the classical instruments like oil level indicator, temperature measurement. All of these things can be connected to our Ethos. Well, when you think about the Ethos and the sensors, what are the features that you like most or you think that are most valuable for the transformer operator?
Yeah, let me first mention, in accordance with the CIGRE Working Group report A237, that the bushings are considered one of the most critical items on the transformers. So I would say the bushing monitoring would be the first choice. However, also tap changers, of course, when they are not from MR, are critical, and the VAM offers here a unique monitoring feature, which is also possible to monitor tap changers of other manufacturers with Ethos.
Okay, thank you. I still think also DGA is a valuable feature because I know that all sampling of DGA was a classical method of diagnosing the transformer, and now we can have it with an online system. From my point of view, I think this is a valuable addition to our Ethos program. Thank you very much for watching. We have come to the end of our short show. Mr. Boyer, thank you very much for the details.
Thank you, Mr. Gebauer.
I think we come to the end of the technical talk, and our next streaming will be tomorrow with our colleagues from Highvolt. Thank you very much. Bye for now.
Bye.